Hi, this is Michelle. This is the discussion part of the atomic emissions and flame test. I have completed the activities and we're just going to go over them. I will begin with the data I collected for um, the household light sources. The three household light sources used, I used a modem light, a fluorescent bulb, and a cell phone flashlight, which I looked through the spectroscope and basically documented and wrote down the lights that I saw and at what line that I saw them at. Then I took the information that I got from there and I had put that on the data table to the spectroscope calibration. And I took this information and I plotted it onto a scatter graph that I have over here. And with that information is how I got the equation for the best fit line. Very important to end up getting that because you will need that to complete the next table 3. On the data table 3 is the metal salt light emissions, and this is when I actually burn the sticks on the sterno heater, and to see the colors that I viewed when I burnt them. And also as I looked through the spectrometer, the colors that I saw and at the line numbers that I was able to see. And then I calculated those, I put those numbers into that particular equation, and that's how I got these wavelengths that I can actually use those numbers to see if they was calibrated. Like for instance with purple, with when I calculated and I put the line number of 4 that I had in there at 413, and we see over here how violet it is at 400 to 430 nanometers. And for the third table, we were giving the information of a wavelength to where we had to transform the wavelength of nanometers into meters. And then our job was to change them into joules and to also find out the information to also find out what Ni is. And then you had to go back to the Bohr's model of the hydrogen atom. I had to go back to that information and also key into the formula that I was given right here in the information in order to assist me into figuring out those problems. So I hope this was the information we needed. Thank you very much.